I'm sharing 8 insanely simple Blu Tack hacks to make your life so much easier. Now you're going to have to go and get some Blu Tack, obviously. It is great for cleaning loads of different things, including mobile phone ports, even the little holes for the speaker, and your headphone port as well. A whole load of like gross dust and grime collects in there, and the Blu Tack is just the perfect kind of moldable poster putty to put in there and then remove safely without leaving any residue on the phone. Blu Tack is also great for cleaning out those little fiddly ports on photo printers as well. And I like to use the Blu Tack for cleaning my vintage brooch collection, and I like to use it for cleaning my amethyst, which is one of my favorite geodes. It really is a pretty versatile cleaning product for small fiddly items. Now you can use Blu Tack to straighten artwork on the wall, which is fantastic because my husband and I are constantly knocking this frame, and so is the cat. And at night time, I like to wear these Bluetooth headphones, but the blue light is seriously annoying, makes me feel like a cyborg and keeps my husband awake. So just covering that little hole with Blu Tack and the surrounding area sorts that problem right out. And Blu Tack is also really great to use on things like figurines to protect whenever you're dusting, or to protect from an animal pushing it off a ledge or whatever. Just knead the Blu Tack and attach it to your figurine and press firmly. And of course, as we all know, it is great for removing Blu Tack off walls. And you can start using this genius sticky stuff to do a lot of cleaning in your house. Don't forget to hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.